Cyberbullying is when bullying occurs on social media sites through text messages, email messages, in chat rooms, and other websites. Unfortunately, the technology that we have grown to integrate into our everyday tasks, such as capturing life moments and communicating across the globe, is now being used to torment adolescents across the world. Computers, tablets, and cell phones are all being used to transmit hurtful messages that threaten, humiliate, and embarrass targeted students all over. 80% of teens use a cell phone on a regular basis, making it the most common medium for cyberbullying. As teens have unlimited access to social media websites on their smartphones, cyberbullying can easily occur at any moment at the fingertips of today's youth. According to the 2011 Consumer Report, 1 million children were harassed, threatened, or subjected to other forms of cyberbullying on Facebook during the past year. Victims of cyberbullying often know their cyberbully. In many instances, it's a close friend, their best friend, or another known person. The difference between cyberbullying and verbal and physical bullying is the anonymous factor. There are times when the victim does not know their cyberbully. Incidents of this kind are reported more often when the victim is in the chat room setting. Unfortunately, photos and comments that are posted using fictitious accounts makes it harder to determine the cyberbully's identity. Another difference and disadvantage of bullies choosing the internet and text messaging as their source of bullying is how quickly a photo or message can spread. Once posted, hurtful images and comments go viral within minutes. Not only that, it also reaches a wider audience than normal, and the content is difficult to remove once posted. Let's look at the issue at hand. Many students encounter cyberbullying situations outside of school. Cyberbullying is one out-of-school factor that affects academic achievement and the emotional and mental state of our students. Some students are targeted based upon their classification, whether it's their ethnicity, gender, sexuality, spirituality, or disability. Regardless of their classification, cyberbullying can increase absenteeism as students attempt to avoid further humiliation, as well as their perpetrator and peers. For those brave students who decide to weather the storm, the after effects of cyberbullying often results in a decrease in those students' academic achievement. It has been reported that their grades drop significantly and they perform poorly on tests. According to the Cyberbully Research Center, those that are cyberbullied are most likely to have low self-esteem and experience thoughts of suicide. Shockingly, 81% of young people think bullying online is easier to get away with than bullying in person. If our youth believe that cyberbullying goes unnoticed, what consequences are in place for those that engage in cyberbullying? What support systems are available for victims of cyberbullying? And how are our school districts handling reports of cyberbullying that involves their students? The answers to these questions will be sought out during my action research on cyberbullying.